welcome to the rope twist updo. Now this is actually part 2 of another tutorial that I have done, which is called the rope twist, which is right here. And now I'm going to show you how to put it up into a quick and easy updo. Are you guys ready? So we're going to start with one. I'm grabbing like 2 to 3 little hairs on the very tips, and I'm going to slide my hand upwards. And this is going to create volume. It's actually called rouging. So see that sliding effect and volume you can get out of this? It's amazing. So what we're going to do on the other side, pick it up, grab 2 to 3 hairs, nice and small piece, hold that, and then gently with the other hand, slide upwards. Whee! And that will create the volume and the body in this beautiful twist. Now you can also select different spots of these hairs to create more volume and more body. See how I'm grabbing a couple of different hairs from different spots, always just the tips, and sliding up and rouging up to create that nice texture, body and volume. Okay, now we're going to grab one of those twists and gently turn it around, and we're going to tuck the very end underneath so it's hidden, and we're going to hold that to the scalp or to the head, and we're then just going to add those pins in. We're going to pin all around the outside, and once it's secured, then we can add more pins. Now when I pin, I don't open them. I just stab them into the scalp and slide them across. Now for the other side, we are going to turn it around, tuck the ends under, and hold this little bundle into place while we pin. And once again, we are not going to open our pins, just grab them, pop them into the scalp and slide them across. And this will help if you have trouble with seeing pins in the hair. You'll love this way. Don't open them, just pop them into the scalp, slide them across, and you will be loving it. No more pins showing. Now I'm going to check the balance by pinching and pulling out little bits, and I'm also going to pull out on the crown there to soften that, just to balance the whole hairstyle and create the whole soft vibe throughout. Now also very important, you want to check at eye level when you do this as well. I'm going to finish off now with some Ecolab hairspray to fix and finish the do. I love this one. And more pinching and pulling as I go. Now's the fun part, is decorating the hairdo. Now I'm going to use baby's breath hair flowers. I love them because they're really cute and small. You can use anything that you like. Now also, if you want them to stay in the hair, you just feel like you want that extra securedness, I'm using a small bobby pin, and I pin the flower with the small bobby pin and then pin it into the hair, or I grab the flower where I want to position it, and then with that small bobby pin I will pin it into the hair. And that way you will be sure that that's not going to go anywhere. So there you have it, the rope twist updo. Part 1 will be the rope twists, and then you can follow it with this one, the rope twist updo. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a real easy one. See you next time.